Geographical terms in climatology. Part 2. This video explains the important terms, definitions, and meanings in the unit of climatology. Air, humidity. First, let's look at some terms in the topic of humidity. Humidity. The amount of moisture present in the air is called humidity. Absolute humidity. The amount of moisture present in the air per unit is termed as absolute humidity. Relative humidity. The ratio between the actual amount of moisture present in the air and saturation point of the same air at same temperature is termed as relative humidity. Specific humidity. The ratio between the mass of moisture in an unit of the air and total mass of the air is termed as specific humidity. Precipitation. Now, let's see the terms in precipitation. Precipitation. The fall and deposition of moisture content from the atmosphere on the surface of the earth is called precipitation. Rainfall, fog, mist, snow, hail, etc. are the different forms precipitation. Convectional rainfall. The water is heated and evaporated from the earth's surface. The water vapor rays upward due to convectional current. Due to the fall of temperature in the water vapor condensed and rainfall occurs. This type of rainfall is called convectional rainfall. Orographic rainfall or relief rainfall. Wind which blow towards the mountain get ascended over the slope of the mountain. The moisture content in the ascending wind get condensed and then rainfall occurs. This type of rainfall is called orographic rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall or frontal rainfall. Due to the cyclones or depressions, two air masses meet or converge each other and then brings rainfall. This type of rainfall is called cyclonic rainfall. Snow. Snow is a form of precipitation with fine and tiny ice crystals. Fog. The tiny water drops fall from the troposphere is termed as fog. Advection fog. Advection fog is formed due to the horizontal movement of the warm air mass over the cooler surface. Mist. A large mass of water droplets present in the troposphere is termed as mist. Dew. Dew is the moisture of the air deposited as water droplets on the surface or vegetation of the earth. Frost. The moisture of the air fall on the surface of the earth and frozen by low temperature is called frost. Hoar frost. Deposit of ice crystals is called hair frost. Haze. Tiny solid substances present in the atmosphere and lowering the visibility of the air is called haze. Hail. Small spherical ice pellets fall from rainy clouds are called haze. Sleet. Sleet is the mixture of rainfall and snow due to the low temperature. Alpine glow. Alpine glow is the flush glaring of the snow-covered mountains of Alps regions before the sunrise and after the sunset. Smog. Smog is the mixture of fog and snow. Smog. Fall is common in highly polluted temperate regions. Now, let's see the terms in clouds. Clouds. Cloud. Cloud is a mass of tiny water particles and ice crystals present in the layer in the troposphere. Stratus clouds. Stratus clouds are the low-level clouds look like sheets or layers and found horizontally. They bring light rainfall. Cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds are found above 6,000 meter altitude and look like feathery, wispy, and thin clouds. Cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds are the low clouds found up to 2,000 meter height and looks puffy. Nimbus clouds. Nimbus clouds are the low-level clouds brings rain, snow, sleet, fog, etc. Low clouds. Low clouds are found up to 2,000 meter height from the ground level. Stratus, stratocumulus, and nimbostratus clouds are the low clouds. Middle clouds. Middle clouds are found in the altitude of 2,000 to 8,000 meter height from the ground level. Altostratus and altocumulus clouds are the middle clouds. High clouds. Cirrus, cirrostratus, and cirrocumulus are the high clouds found between 5,000 and 13,000 meter height. Altostratus clouds. Altostratus clouds are the medium clouds found in looks like continuous sheets found in 2,000 to 7,000 meter height. Altocumulus clouds. Altocumulus clouds are the medium clouds look like rounded or parallel banded shape. Cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds appears like flaky and patches between 5,000 to 15,000 meter height. Cumulonimbus clouds. Cumulonimbus clouds form due to great variation in atmospheric pressure and found in 2,000 to 20,000 meter height. This is the king of clouds. Heat zones. Now, let's see the terms in heat zones. Torrid zone. Torrid zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The temperature is high in this zone. Temperate zone. Temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. The temperature is moderate in this zone. North Temperate Zone and South Temperate Zone are the two temperate zones. Frigid zone. Frigid zone lies beyond the Arctic and Antarctic circles. The temperature is low in these zones. North Frigid Zone and South Frigid Zone are the two frigid zones. Air pressure. Now, let's see the terms in air pressure. Equatorial low pressure belt. Equatorial low pressure belt lies between 5° north and 5° south. The air pressure is low here due to the high temperature and ascending movement of the air. Subtropical high pressure belt. Subtropical high pressure belts lie between 25° and 30° of northern and southern latitudes. Here the air pressure is high due to descending movement of air. Subpolar low pressure belt. Subpolar low pressure belts lie in 60° and 70° north and south latitudes. The air pressure is low due to the presence of vast land mass in the north and adjoining high pressure belts. Polar high pressure belt. Polar high pressure belts lie beyond 70° north and south latitudes. Here the air ascends and creates high pressure belts. Doldrums. Between 5° north and 5° south latitudes the wind is feeble. The zone is dull and calm around the equator. This zone is called doldrums. Horse latitudes. Trade wind originate between the latitudes of 30° and 35° north and south latitudes. This zone is calm and known as horse latitudes. Roaring Forties. The region of Roaring Forties lies in the oceanic southern hemisphere between 40° to 50° south latitudes. Here the wind blow and roar with great velocity due to the absence of barriers. Furious Fifties. The region of Furious Fifties lies in the oceanic southern hemisphere between 50° to 60° south latitudes. Here the wind blow furiously with great velocity due to the absence of barriers. Screaming Sixties or Shrieking Sixties. The region of Screaming Sixties lies in the oceanic southern hemisphere between 60° and 65° south latitudes. Here the wind blow with high sound and great velocity due to the absence of barriers. Aleutian Low. Aleutian Low is the subpolar low pressure area nearby the Aleutian Islands over Bering Sea. Wedge of high pressure. Wedge of high pressure is a small high pressure region forms between two depressions. Intertropical convergence zone. The trade winds blow from northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere converge over the equator. This zone is called intertropical convergence zone. Description is in link. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.